Are you looking for a better way to manage your kids' time and those never-ending math lessons or meal times? Help them with transitions or time management skills? Well, today I have the perfect tool that's gonna help you and your kids to stay on track. Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, I make homeschooling videos to help you on your homeschooling journey and to take the stress out of homeschooling. And today I am partnering with Timberdoodle to show you an awesome tool that's gonna help you teach your children better time management skills. This is the Time Timer Plus. It looks like this. It's a 60-minute timer. You set the time here for as long as you want the time to be set for, and it slowly goes down, and when it goes down to 0, the time is up. Now this unique visual timer is perfect for anyone who has trouble with time. Maybe you have a child who is autistic or a young child and they can't understand how much 5 minutes is or how long 10 minutes is. This is the perfect visual timer to help them see those time differences and see how much time they have left. This timer is great to manage daily routines such as morning chores, dinner cleanup, bath time, bedtime. It's great for teaching kids to take turns and time for different subjects in school or homework. Let's say you want a math lesson to only be 20 minutes long. You will set this timer to 20 minutes and your kids will know they have to get that math done in 20 minutes or that math is going to be homework time. You can use it for productivity. See if you can get your room cleaned in 15 minutes. You know, you set the time for 15 minutes. They can look back at the clock, and as it goes down, they can see how much time they have left. This is a great tool for a child or adult that has ADHD because it helps them to focus on their task before that timer runs out. If this is sitting right on their desk and they're prone to being distracted, they're able to continue to look at the clock and see, okay, my time is almost up. I better get this handwriting done before my timer runs out. So it helps them to keep track and to stay focused. Sometimes you have little kids and they have no idea how long 5 minutes is. This is gonna show them how long those 5 minutes are and how long it lasts. It's so easy as a homeschooler to have this nonchalant attitude and just go with the flow, and then you're done school at like 6 o'clock at night. But that doesn't prepare our children for the real world. In the real world, they're gonna have to live by time. They're gonna have to learn how to follow a schedule, how to manage their time, how to be productive and be timely. And so this is a great tool for teaching that productivity and time management skills that are gonna help them later on in life. So if you guys are interested in this timer, I'm gonna set a link in the description below of where you guys can purchase it. And for more reviews and cool things that I use in my homeschool, check out this playlist here. And in the description, I also have an Amazon list that has different awesome things that we use in our homeschool that you guys might want to add some fun into your homeschool or some structure. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I want to thank Timberdoodle for sending me this clock. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.